Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to layer images in Canva. Layering images in Canva allows you to stack, arrange, and customize visuals to create dynamic designs. To layer an image, open your Canva application first and log into your account. Go ahead and open up an existing design or create a new one. You can also open up a blank canvas and upload images to them. Now click on the upload button at the bottom of the screen and then you can choose images from the list, upload a file from your device's camera roll, or upload them from Dropbox, Google Photos, or Google Drive, anywhere you'd like. I'm just gonna select images from my camera roll. Choose multiple images you'd like to add to your project and then select them from the list. You can upload as many images as you'd like. After layering images, you can then select them from your preview section. After adding the images onto your canvas, tap on the image to select them and then drag it along the screen to place it on your desired location. You can also crop the image by using this crop tool. Resize the image by dragging it from the corners of the screen, and you can simply drag the image with the help of your finger and place it on a desired location. Now that you have added multiple layers of images, go to the bottom of the screen while selecting the canvas and tap on layers. You will then be able to see all the layers for your project. In order to position the layer, simply go ahead and select one of the layers and position them accurately with the help of your finger. And there you have added multiple image layers on your Canva design. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.